Hey guys, it's Molly. I am back for my second try at the Ring Shelley Bloom technique. So I learned a little bit on my first one. I'm still using my pouring medium, no pillow base, and I am using Australian floetrol. But I wanted to change up the colors a little bit, and I did some swirly cues that I didn't really care for too much in the last one. So I'm gonna try to leave those out as well. So I really liked the way the other one turned out. I wanna do more with this technique and really see where I can go with it. So let's paint. All right guys, so I am back for one more. I still haven't gotten the exact colors and the exact layering and the swirls that I want yet. So I'm back for one more, hoping that this doesn't go to all mud, and I don't want a ton of green. So I'm gonna go with a pendulum swing here. Just crazy wonky lines everywhere. Okay. So I'm gonna do those blooms again. This time I'm gonna do like my old school, where I just drag on through. Oh, I love the purple and that yellow. And I think I will leave the center open. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna blow around it. As I blow and stretch it out, that's when you get those cells. Let me get around on this side. And I'm not looking for an actual flower shape necessarily. Like you could even, I'll play around with this, why not? So you could even do like a line and then just blow it. Just blow it just like that and get some cool designs, you know? Doesn't have to be, you could do a half and then just blow out. And then I'm gonna blow it back that way. So that one didn't make it, but that's okay. Kind of like this not having an actual bloom shape. Sometimes you just gotta go crazy. Just do something you don't normally do. I don't know if I want to do any more. I think I'm good. I don't want to mix it too much. I can already tell you that's my favorite. These right here and those right there. So I may just have to do a pink, a blue, and a purple one. But it seems to be that you can use, I'm just using a little bit of my regular Creative Inspirations gloss medium and varnish. And that is enough to create those cells with the Australian floetrol. I'm trying to keep this over here so that you guys can see it. Let's Stretch that back out. Oh, this is my favorite part down here. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Just enough to go over. Okay. Oh, I really like that one. Oh man, okay. Loving this. Super cool design. I'm glad that I left the center there in this one. I actually really like this side. I'm gonna stretch some of that side off, I believe. What would be really pretty is just blue. So I'm gonna stretch, goodbye. Goodbye. I didn't like you, cells. Okay, I really like that the way that it is. This little part right in here, I don't know, that may bother me a little bit, but for the most part, I like it. And I don't want to mess this part up anymore. So, I don't know what to do about this part. Maybe I can wreck it. Oh, that worked. For the most part. And then there was something, see there's a big glob of something right there. I could see it. So then the best thing about wrecking these things is you just wreck it back like that. Like it was never there. Okay. I'm going, you guys know I get delirious sometimes, so. All right, I think I'm happy with that. Dun, 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 dun. What? Look at that. So I will most definitely say thank you, Shelly, for sharing your secrets and allowing us all to play and make something out of this. That is what this is all about, learning different techniques, turning them into your own. Look at the rings behind that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I'll show you the dried result. Bye. All right, here we go. I am trying to get good lighting on this so I have you outside by my lights. But look at how cool all that webbing. I love that yellow part right there. Look at that. Just rainbow webbing and lacing everywhere. I love it. So fun. Such a fun technique. I don't know. What is it? Like a erect bloom? I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. I'm sure somebody else has probably already done this. But first time I'm doing it. So again, this is just my pouring medium and the Australian floetrol and just blowing out the blooms after I've done a ring pour. And I love it. I really like the colors. I love this blue over here. I like the orange and the yellow and the purple. Really, really fun technique. Can't wait to play with this more. You guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.